I don't want to add too much more than what Greg said. I just want to welcome you. We do these regional events around the state every spring. We do them in Spokane and Tri-Cities and Bellingham. It's a way for us to meet with our supporters in different areas around the state. And, as you know, we do a lot of events in the Seattle area. We haven't done one of these in formal receptions in King County over the last few years when we've been doing them around the state. But we thought, hey, why don't we try to do something like this for our East Side supporters in the Bellevue area. So we're thrilled with tonight's turnout. Thanks for being here. It's just really an informal way for you to meet some of our board members and our staff and to hear what's happening during the legislative session. This is a very, very important session. A lot of issues that are moving that will affect you and your business that you'll hear about the environment, obviously the state budget, and maybe a huge tax proposal coming on the ballot this summer or this fall, healthcare, education, a lot of things that are moving that we know that you may not have time to always follow. So we're hoping that our research directors will be able to give you a quick snapshot of what's happening in Olympia and have some interaction and some discussion with them this evening. So I want to bring up Paul Guppy, who's our Vice President for Research, and all of our researchers should come up as well. As Greg said, we have 7 research centers. So you're going to hear from Todd Myers, who runs our Center for the Environment, Mike Ennis, who runs our Transportation Center, Jason Mercier, who runs our Government Reform Center, and staffs our office in Olympia. We have a satellite office 2 blocks from the state capitol. Carl Gibson, who runs our Small Business and Tech Center, and Lee Finna, who is our latest center. We just opened an education center last year, and we're very excited about all the good work we're doing on education. A couple other things that we're doing is we're getting into the social networking avenues of outreach. We have a full-time communications director, John Barnes, who's here in the back, and definitely looking at different ways to release our policy material. So you probably have seen, if you're a supporter, that we have maybe more graphics in our studies. They're not the typical white papers, shorter pieces. People are busy, they don't have time to read the 20 or 30-page study. So we're looking at ways to deliver our message to different people. And we now have a Facebook page and a YouTube page, so we're looking at ways to reach different audiences. We're also starting a Young Professionals Advisory Board. So if you have some folks that might be interested in the 20 to 40 range, working with us on different policy issues, we're starting that this spring as well. So it's an exciting time to be part of the Washington Policy Center. We also have lots of events coming up this spring, and we're just glad to have you with us tonight.